Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move your props in your garden and grow a garden to game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I've already placed my prop here. And if we want to move a prop, we need to go to the build menu and then tap on the prop that you want to move. And you're going to hold and drag to move. You can click on this blue button like this and just move it anywhere that you want. I'm gonna move it here, and we can also rotate and delete it. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on build. Oops, sorry, just click on the just click anywhere. Okay, let's try it again. We can tap on the build menu and tap on the cosmetic, and we can move it and just tap anywhere. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how we can move cosmetic or props and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.